Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to receive assets on your LEDGER Stax. If you want to receive assets, you'll basically need to first unlock your ledger. So let's do that. Now I'm gonna approve it, and now you will need to have an app for the asset you want to receive. And if you don't know how to do it, you'll simply need to go to My Ledger in Ledger Live, then select your LEDGER Stax. Now let's wait a moment. Allow secure connection. And I will be receiving Solana, so I don't need to get that, but simply in here, you'll need to select the asset you want to get. So like, for example, Bitcoin, you'll just need to click on plus and it'll start downloading. And yeah, in a moment, it'll be on the device. And now, once we have that set, let's go to the wallet. And now, if you want to receive, then simply click on receive. Now select which crypto you want to receive, and I want to receive Solana, and I already have accounts for Solana here. But if you don't have any, then you'll basically need to click on add new or existing account. Then if you have any existing account assigned to your recovery phrase, to this wallet basically, then it will find it and you can add it. Or if not, then after scanning blockchain, it'll tell you that you can add a new account. And yeah, I'm gonna select my private account. I'm gonna verify the address. Let's select the ledger. Let's open the app, although I can see that it has locked itself. So let's unlock it. Let's open Solana app. Now I'm gonna retry because there was some sort of a problem. Okay, I entered the wrong pin because I have a passphrase here as well, so let's try again with a different pin, and let's retry. Yes, now it's fine. Let's verify that we have the same address displayed on both devices. I'm gonna confirm it, and now I can copy the address from the app and send it to someone so they can simply transfer the money to me. I'm gonna use my own assets from a different app, so I'm just gonna make the transfer pretty quick. Let's click on transfer, send crypto, allow paste, and I'm gonna select the pasted one, but you can also scan a QR code, or the person that's sending stuff to you can scan a QR code. Now, once I have that done, let's select which asset to send, and I'm gonna send Solana. So now I don't really know what's the minimum for a transfer here. I believe that it's 0.0001, but I may be wrong. No, it has to be 1/10 of 1,000th, right? So let's preview that. Then I'm gonna select the self-custody wallet, and then I'm sending it to myself. Of course, these data should be selected by the person that sends your money to you. Then I'm gonna click on send now and click on done, and it's basically now being pending. It's in pending right now, so we'll see in the app later in a moment. Like, I believe that Solana takes about 20 seconds to transfer. We'll see that our account has more money, And then if I go to assets or if I go to accounts, I'll see everything. And basically, I'm expecting my Solana private to get the money, so that's where I'll be looking for it. Just gonna double check. Yeah, the status says it's completed, so probably I'll have it right now. Yeah, I think I already have it, since it's like, no, I'm not really sure about that. If I got it, but maybe there's some sort of history. Yeah, you can see I received 0.001 Solana. So that's basically it. And if you want to see a video on how to send crypto, then you can also watch that. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.